The Epson ET-28 Wireless Printer is an all-in-one device that combines printing, scanning, and copying features, making it a versatile addition to any home office. Featuring innovative cartridge-free printing, this printer utilizes high-capacity ink tanks, eliminating the need for frequent and costly ink cartridge replacements. With the ability to save up to 90% on replacement ink, the printer offers remarkable cost efficiency, providing up to 4,500 pages in black and 7,500 in color. Equipped with Epson's micro Piezo heat-free technology, it ensures sharp text and impressive color graphics on a variety of paper types. The ET-28 series supports modern connectivity options such as wireless, Wi-Fi Direct, and mobile printing from smart devices, making it highly convenient for today's tech-savvy users. Its compact design, high-resolution flatbed scanner, and color display make the Epson ET-28 an ideal choice for families seeking an affordable and easy-to-use home printer.